Hi everyone, I'm Jake. Welcome to our channel, and today's video is dedicated to all those beautiful women who make this world more meaningful and more beautiful. Now the topic that I'm discussing today is about fibroid, one of the major health concern in a woman's life. In fact, according to the data and statistics, almost 70 to 80% women suffer from fibroids in their lifetime. According to medical science, there is no known cause for fibroids. In fact, genetic component has been considered as one of the factor, which means that it runs in the family. So first thing that we need to understand is that what are fibroids? Fibroids are basically benign tumors. They are made of soft connective tissues and muscle cells in the lining of the uterus. In fact, most of the women, they don't even feel the symptoms for it, but in some extreme cases they have to even resort to uterus removal surgery, where the size of the fibroid become as big as the size of a tennis ball. Unfortunately, in the last decade, the number of uterus removal surgeries has considerably increased because of fibroid. Now, I want to tell you guys that I am not a doctor or a gynecologist. If you need medical supervision for this condition, I would request you to visit your gynecologist. Having said that, I also want to put it across the board that I'm a certified nutritionist, a certified holistic healing coach, and a certified supplement advisor. And my philosophy in life is that prevention is always better than cure. And I firmly believe that our bodies are naturally endowed with the ability to deal with any kind of sickness, provided with the right nutrition and herbal support. Now, as I said earlier, that according to medical literature, there are no known causes for fibroid. But my approach is not medical approach. I purely talk from herbal standpoint. And according to herbalism, fibroids are not actually a disease. It's merely symptoms of collective disorder in a woman's body. And there are mainly two disorders which are responsible for these symptoms. Number one, hormonal imbalance, and number two, improper liver function. These are primarily the underlying causes why women develop fibroid throughout their life. Now let's talk about how we can actually prevent these problems. In this video, I will provide you with top 5 nutritional tips that you can incorporate in your life to get rid of fibroid. Then I will also give you the list of herbal supplements that can help you get rid of the symptoms related to fibroid. So when I talk about nutritional tips, these nutritional tips are primarily focused on dealing with the underlying causes that we discussed earlier. Number one, hormonal imbalance. Now, as you all know, that in a woman's body, primarily two main hormones are there, that is estrogen and progesterone, and you need to create the right balance between them. In case of fibroid, what happens is that the body starts producing more estrogen and the level of progesterone drops down, and that's what creates the problem. And my nutritional tips are going to immensely help you in creating this balance back. The number one nutritional tip is that include more fiber in your diet. Fiber helps you lose more weight. Because of weight gain or more fat in your body, fat cells are more vulnerable to producing more estrogen. The more fat you have in your body, the more estrogen your body will produce. And that is why it is crucial to shed excess weight from your body if you want to prevent yourself from fibroids. You can get fibers from raw and cooked vegetables, dry fruits, oats, whole grain breads, lentils, barley, beans. List is endless. In fact, I would suggest you to even start some form of fiber supplement. I provided the link for the supplement in the description. Check that supplement out. It's extremely effective. Second nutritional tip that I have is basically derived from a study. In fact, I've provided the link for that study in the description. You can read it yourself. It's basically start drinking more green tea. And my personal recommendation is start drinking matcha. Matcha is basically a fermented Japanese green tea which contains 10 times more antioxidant than a regular cup of green tea. And these antioxidants are called apicalocatechin gallate. They help in reduction of inflammation, which leads to increase in fibroids. And they also helps in reducing the estrogen levels in your body. In addition to that, it helps you in recovering from the loss of iron caused by excessive bleeding, one of the symptoms faced by many women during fibroids. Third nutritional tip is that include more vitamin D in your diet. According to a trusted study, vitamin D can reduce your risk of fibroids by up to 32%. Now, as we all know that getting sufficient vitamin D through sunlight or our diet is not possible. That is why I provided the link in the description. You can start taking this vitamin D supplement and that will solve your problem of vitamin D deficiency. Fourth important tip is to include more potassium in your diet. Basically, potassium helps to counteract the effect of salt. Excess salt in our body leads to increase in blood pressure, and according to a study, it was observed that most of the women who were in that study and they were suffering from fibroids were also the victim of high blood pressure. And that is why high blood pressure is also considered as one of the reason for fibroids. So make sure that on a daily basis in your diet you have at least one of these sources of potassium: avocado, banana, dates, lentils, potatoes, tomatoes. Fifth nutritional tip for you is to include more fresh vegetables and fruits in your diet, especially enzymatic fruits like pineapples and mangoes. Basically, the science behind it is that the enzymes present in these fruits, when you consume them, let's say half an hour before your meal, they help you in deteriorating and breaking down or digesting the protein. As we all know that all cancerous cells, whether they are benign, especially like fibroids are benign tumors, they all are protected by a shell or a layer of protein which stops our immune system to deal with those cancerous cells. And when we consume these enzymatic fruits, they help to break down that protein shell or the layer on top of those cancerous cells, and then helps in the apoptosis of those cells, which means the destruction of those cells. So when you consume these enzymatic fruits, they help you in greatly in reduction of fibroids. In fact, I would advise you to take some form of enzyme supplement right before your meal. I provided the link in the description for the enzyme supplement as well. Now, after those 5 top nutritional tips, I'm going to give you a bonus tip on what are the things that you need to stay away from to avoid this estrogen imbalance in your body. Number one thing that you need to stay away are all the estrogen increasing foods. So basically all the soya products like soya milk, soya chop, Nutrella, soya milk, red meat. Basically, as we all know, soybean contains the natural ingredients which are phytoestrogen. They mimic estrogen. So when you eat more soya product, it ultimately increases more estrogen in your body. In fact, I would advise you to not consume too much of soya products, because soybean crops are actually the most heavily sprayed crops with pesticides. So it brings in a lot of pesticides and fertilizers in your system, which again leads to more increase of estrogen in your body. And also red meat, you need to avoid consuming more red meat, because most of the meat is raised by using hormones. So those additional hormones further leads to more increase in estrogen in your body. Alright guys, so now I'm going to provide you with the list of herbal supplements which can actually help you in protecting your liver. As we discussed that liver function is also one of the underlying cause of fibroids. Now, as we all know that liver is one of the main organ in our body. It deals with the breakdown of nutrients, breakdown of medication, breakdown of toxins. It eliminates all the toxins from our body. So it has a lot of work to do on a daily basis. Now, because of our lifestyle and diet, a lot of toxin goes in our body. If we are used to eating a lot of junk food and fast food, that creates havoc in our system and especially on our liver. In addition to all these breaking down of nutrient, medication and elimination of toxin, liver is also responsible for the hormonal balance in our body. So that's where again the hormonal imbalance comes into play. So both these underlying causes are interconnected. That's why it is utmost important to take care of your liver. Now let me tell you the list of herbal supplements that you can consume on a daily basis to protect your liver. Number one supplement that come in this list is milk thistle. Over the centuries, milk thistle has been proven to be one of the best liver tonic. In fact, on my Herbal Friday episode, I've made a special episode on milk thistle. Stay tuned to watch that as well. So milk thistle, what it does, it helps in the production of glutathione, a natural antioxidant produced by our liver. It increases the amount of glutathione, and glutathione helps in regeneration of our liver cells. Next herb that I'm going to talk about is basically categorized as the antispasmodic herbs. They help to relax muscle fibers and alleviate the pain suffered during fibroids, especially during the menstrual cycle. This is a very simple and easily available herb in your kitchen. It's called ginger. All you have to do is that every morning when you get up, boil a cup of water and boil some ginger in it and then drink that water. Basically, ginger helps your lymph nodes and your blood system to eliminate the fibroids when they are broken down. Second important herb that you can start using is ashwagandha. It is an immunomodulating herb that can support the immune system. According to a popular herbalist and cancer specialist, Donald Gans, the immunomodulating activities of ashwagandha are well researched and are extremely significant. In fact, he says that he uses ashwagandha in case of his patients who suffer from cancer, tumors, or any form of chemotherapy or radiation issues as well. Third important herbal supplement to prevent fibroids is chasteberry. Chasteberry, also known as Vitex or Vitex, can help regulate your hormonal levels and prevent the further growth of fibroids. In fact, Vitex or chasteberry is one of the most common prescribed herb for fibroids. It mainly works by increasing the amount of progesterone in comparison to estrogen. So theoretically, it helps in getting rid of fibroids by creating the right hormonal balance. Last but not the least, the holy basil, or what in India we call Tulsi. Tulsi is basically also an adaptogenic herb. Tulsi mainly helps in influencing the HPA, the hypothalamic pituitary axis. Alright guys, so those were my nutritional and herbal supplement tips based on my knowledge and experience in the field of holistic healing. If you follow these rituals on a daily basis and make these lifestyle changes, you will be 100% able to prevent fibroids in your life. So remember, prevention is better than cure. And I'm gonna see you next time in another informational video. Bye.